Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of Garmin Avionics. From advanced cockpit displays to cutting-edge navigation systems, we'll explore the latest and greatest technology that's taking to the skies. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or an aviation enthusiast, this is the place to learn about the latest Garmin Avionics. So sit back, relax, and let's take off into the world of aviation technology. The Garmin G5. The Garmin G5 is a versatile and affordable electronic flight instrument that provides critical flight information for pilots in one compact unit. The G5 serves as a backup instrument for traditional analog gauges and can be used as a primary flight display, with optional connectivity to autopilots and other avionics. The G5 features a bright, sunlight-readable 3.5-inch LCD display with customizable screens for easy access to important flight data, including attitude, airspeed, altitude, vertical speed, and heading. Pilots can also use the G5 to display additional information, such as ground speed, track, and vertical speed with the optional GPS input. The G5 is certified for installation in a wide range of general aviation aircraft, from single-engine piston planes to multi-engine turboprops and jets. Its compact size makes it easy to install in a variety of panel configurations, and it can be used as a standalone instrument or in conjunction with other Garmin avionics. In addition to its flight display capabilities, the G5 includes features such as GPS-driven synthetic vision, traffic and weather displays, and a built-in backup battery to ensure reliable operation in the event of an electrical system failure. Overall, the Garmin G5 is a powerful and reliable tool for pilots, providing essential flight information in a compact and affordable package. Whether as a backup instrument or a primary flight display, the G5 is an excellent addition to any general aviation aircraft. The Garmin G3X. Garmin G3X is a versatile and customizable avionics suite designed for experimental and light sport aircraft. It offers a comprehensive range of features, including primary flight display, PFD, multifunction display, MFD, engine monitoring, synthetic vision, and autopilot integration. One of the standout features of the Garmin G3X is its modular design, which allows pilots to customize the avionics suite based on their specific needs and preferences. This means that pilots can choose to install only the features they need, keeping the cost of the system down. The PFD of the Garmin G3X offers a crisp, clear display of flight information, including airspeed, altitude, vertical speed, and heading. The MFD displays a range of information, including navigation data, weather, traffic, and terrain. The system is also capable of displaying synthetic vision, which provides a 3D representation of the terrain, obstacles, and runways ahead, making it easier for pilots to navigate in low visibility conditions. Another great feature of the Garmin G3X is its engine monitoring capabilities, which allow pilots to keep track of engine parameters such as RPM, oil pressure, and temperature. This information can be displayed on the MFD or PFD, making it easy to monitor in flight. The Garmin G3X is also capable of autopilot integration, allowing pilots to easily control the aircraft's heading, altitude, and airspeed. The system is compatible with a range of autopilot systems, including the Garmin GMC 307, GMC 305, and GMC 305A. Overall, the Garmin G3X is a versatile and customizable avionics suite that offers a range of features for experimental and light sport aircraft. Its modular design, crisp displays, and engine monitoring capabilities make it a great choice for pilots who want a high-quality avionics system at an affordable price. The Garmin G500. The Garmin G500 is a leading-edge avionics system designed for general aviation aircraft. It offers an impressive range of features and capabilities, providing pilots with a comprehensive suite of tools to enhance their flying experience. One of the key features of the G500 is its large, high-resolution display, which provides a clear and easy-to-read view of critical flight data. The system includes both primary flight display, PFD, and multifunction display, MFD capabilities, allowing pilots to view important flight information, including airspeed, altitude, heading, vertical speed, and more. In addition to basic flight information, the G500 includes advanced features such as synthetic vision technology, SVT, which provides a 3D view of the surrounding terrain, obstacles, and runways. The system also includes optional traffic and weather radar displays, making it an all-in-one solution for pilots seeking situational awareness. The G500 is fully compatible with a wide range of other Garmin avionics, including the G10 series of GPS/NAV/CONM units, allowing pilots to integrate their avionics systems seamlessly. It also includes options for advanced autopilot integration, making it a great choice for pilots looking to upgrade their aircraft with modern avionics technology. Overall, the Garmin G500 is a powerful and versatile avionics system that provides pilots with an impressive array of features and capabilities. Whether you're a professional pilot or a general aviation enthusiast, the G500 is a great choice for enhancing your flying experience. The Garmin G1000 is a fully integrated avionics suite that has revolutionized the way pilots fly. This system combines primary flight instruments, navigation data, weather information, and engine information into a single, easy-to-use platform. It has been a game-changer for general aviation aircraft, making flying more efficient, safe, and enjoyable. The Garmin G1000 system has two large high-resolution displays, which offer an intuitive graphical user interface. The primary flight display, PFD, provides flight instruments and flight management system, FMS data, while the multifunction display, MFD, displays navigation data, engine data, and weather information. The system is also equipped with a keypad for data entry, making it easy for pilots to input flight plans, weather data, and other critical information. One of the main advantages of the G1000 is its integration with satellite-based navigation systems, such as GPS and Waze. This allows pilots to fly more precise and efficient routes, especially in areas where traditional navigation aids may not be available. The system also includes an integrated terrain and obstacle warning system, providing pilots with real-time information about potential hazards. The G1000 also has advanced engine monitoring capabilities, allowing pilots to monitor engine parameters in real time. This helps to identify potential engine problems before they become critical, improving safety and reducing maintenance costs. The Garmin G1000 has been widely adopted by the general aviation community and is now standard equipment on many new aircraft. It has set a new standard for avionics systems and has helped to make flying safer and more accessible to pilots of all skill levels. The Garmin G3000. Garmin G3000 is a modern and advanced avionics suite that has revolutionized the way pilots fly. This integrated flight deck system provides enhanced situational awareness and superior performance in a sleek and user-friendly design. The G3000 features three high-resolution, 14-inch displays that provide an intuitive and customizable interface for the pilot. The displays offer a wide range of information, including navigation, communication, engine monitoring, weather, and traffic data, making it easy for the pilot to access all the necessary information in one place. The system also includes advanced features like synthetic vision technology, SVT, which offers a 3D view of the surrounding terrain, providing enhanced situational awareness, especially in low visibility conditions. The G3000 also includes automatic dependent surveillance broadcast, AIDS-B technology, which enables the pilot to track nearby aircraft and receive traffic information in real time. Another unique feature of the G3000 is its touch screen technology, which allows pilots to access information with just a simple touch, making it easy to control the avionics suite. Additionally, the system supports wireless connectivity, enabling pilots to transfer flight plans, databases, and other critical information wirelessly from a tablet or smartphone. Overall, the Garmin G3000 is an exceptional avionics suite that provides advanced capabilities and a user-friendly interface. It offers pilots enhanced situational awareness, improved performance, and increased safety, making it an excellent choice for modern business jets and light turbine aircraft. The Garmin G5000. Garmin G5000 is an advanced integrated avionics system designed for mid-sized and large business jets. It is a complete glass cockpit that provides pilots with a full range of advanced capabilities to enhance situational awareness, safety, and efficiency during flight operations. The G5000 features a large high-resolution touchscreen display with a customizable interface that enables pilots to access all critical flight data, navigation charts, weather information, and more. The system also includes advanced safety features such as synthetic vision technology, terrain and obstacle awareness, and weather radar integration. In addition to safety features, the G5000 also includes advanced capabilities for flight management, communication, and navigation. The system includes dual GPS receivers, automatic flight guidance, and integrated communication radios with data link capabilities. One of the unique features of the G5000 is its ability to integrate with other avionics systems and flight control systems, enabling pilots to seamlessly manage their aircraft systems and flight operations. The system is also upgradable, allowing for new features and capabilities to be added over time. Overall, the Garmin G5000 is a powerful avionics system that provides pilots with a range of advanced capabilities to enhance safety and efficiency during flight operations. Its intuitive interface, advanced safety features, and seamless integration with other systems make it a popular choice for mid-sized and large business jet operators. Thank you for watching this video about Garmin Avionics. We hope you found it informative and interesting. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more aviation-related content. See you in the next video.